Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello to all our ambitious listeners around the world. It is a fantastic day to practice English together.
It really is, Rahul. You look very smart today. You are wearing a tie.
Thank you. I decided to dress up a little bit. I want to look professional.
You look very professional. It fits our topic for today perfectly.
I think I know what the topic is. Is it about business?
Close. It is about getting a job. Today, we're talking about the job interview.
Ooh, the job interview. That is a scary topic for many people.
It can be scary, but it's also exciting. It's a new opportunity.
That is true. A new job means a new adventure. But the interview, my hands get sweaty just thinking about it.
Don't worry, Rahul. We are going to make it easy. We will talk about how to prepare.
Excellent. I need help. But before we start our interview training, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please. If you're learning English with us and want to get a great job, please subscribe to Easy English Talk channel.
And click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help everyone succeed.
And share this episode with your colleagues. Maybe they're looking for a job too.
Yes, share it. Okay, Emma, let's talk about the interview. When you have an interview coming up, what is the first thing you do?
The first thing is preparation. You must do your homework.
Homework. But I finished school years ago.
Not school homework. I mean research. You need to research the company.
Ah, I see. You mean I should look at their website?
Exactly. Read their website. Understand what they do. Know their products.
That makes sense. You don't want to go to a pizza company and talk about hamburgers.
Exactly. If you know the company, you look smart. You look interested.
Okay, so we know the company. Now, what do we wear?
Ah, the outfit. That is very important. First impressions count.
I like to be comfortable. Can I wear my t-shirt and jeans?
Oh no, Rahul, not for an interview. You need to look professional.
Like a suit.
A suit is good, or a nice shirt and clean trousers. It shows respect.
Okay, I'll iron my shirt. No wrinkles.
Good. Now, let's talk about the questions. The interviewer will ask you many things.
I hate the questions. They always ask difficult things.
What is the hardest question for you, Rahul?
The one, tell me about yourself. It's so big. I never know what to say.
That is a classic question. The trick is to keep it professional.
So I shouldn't tell them I like watching cartoons and eating ice cream.
No. Tell them about your work history. Tell them your skills.
Ah, okay. I am Rahul. I am a hard worker and I am good at English.
That's a great start. Another common question is, what is your greatest weakness?
Oh, that is a trap. If I say I'm lazy, they won't hire me.
Correct. You must be honest, but positive.
How can a weakness be positive?
You talk about a problem and how you're fixing it.
Like, sometimes I work too hard and I forget to go home.
Well, that's a bit of a cliché, but maybe I sometimes get nervous speaking in public, so I'm taking a class to improve.
I see. That shows you are learning. That is very smart, Emma.
Thanks. Now, sometimes we have to travel for an interview, but sometimes we don't.
Yes, nowadays many interviews are online, on the computer.
Do you like online interviews, Rahul?
I do. I can sit in my comfortable chair and I only have to wear a nice shirt. I can wear pajama pants on the bottom.
Rahul, that is risky. What if you have to stand up?
Oh no, that would be embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. So dress completely, even for Zoom, and check your technology.
Yes. Can you hear me? Can you see me? It's very stressful if the internet breaks.
So test your microphone and camera before the meeting starts.
Good advice. Be ready.
We have the preparation, the clothes, and the technology, but there is one thing that is the most important.
What is that? Your resume?
Your resume is important, but I'm talking about body language.
Ah, how you sit and how you look.
Yes, you must be confident.
Confidence is hard when you're nervous.
It is, but you can fake it. Sit up straight. Smile.
And eye contact?
Yes, look them in the eye. It shows you are honest.
I sometimes look at the floor when I'm shy.
Don't look at the floor. Look at the person. And don't forget the handshake.
Unless it's online, then you just wave.
True, but in person, a firm handshake, not too weak.
Not like a dead fish.
Exactly. Strong and friendly.
You know, Emma, I feel better already. I think I'm ready to apply for a new job.
Wait, are you leaving the Easy English Talk channel?
Oh no, never. I have the best job in the world right here.
Phew, that is good news. I like working with you, Rahul.
Me too, but this advice is great for our listeners.
It is. Let's do a little recap to help them remember.
Good idea. Let's summarize.
First, preparation. Research the company. Know what they do.
Second, dress for success. Wear clean, professional clothes. No pajamas.
Third, prepare your answers. Practice tell me about yourself and your strengths and weaknesses.
Fourth, check your tech if it's an online interview. Wi-Fi, camera, sound.
And finally, body language. Smile, sit up straight, and be confident.
And don't forget to breathe.
Yes, breathing is very important.
I feel ready to hire someone now.
Are you the boss now?
Maybe one day.
Well, before we end the episode, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to know about your goals. In the comments below, please tell us, what is your dream job?
Ooh, good question. Do you want to be a doctor, a teacher, an engineer, or maybe a pilot?
Tell us in English. We love reading about your careers.
It's great practice for your vocabulary, too.
So please write a comment and remember to subscribe to Easy English Talk channel.
And give us a big thumbs up if you feel more confident now.
Thank you so much for listening today. Good luck with your interviews.
Yes, go get that job. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye-bye. You're hired.